Here's how to fix not receiving your WhatsApp verification code on iPhone. So there's 10 things you can do. Make sure to try all of them. First, wait for the SMS or call, so just give it a few minutes to arrive. If you've already done that, try the following things. First, reinstall WhatsApp and reinstall the app. Then third, check your phone number and make sure that it is entered correctly. Fourth, clear the WhatsApp cache, so clear any stored data. Fifth, use Wi-Fi or mobile data, so switch networks if necessary. Sixth, you can restart your phone, so a simple restart may help. Seventh, check for system updates, so update iOS if needed. The eighth option is to contact WhatsApp support, so reach out to WhatsApp for assistance. Ninth is to check WhatsApp app activity, so make sure the app is running properly. And the 10th and final option is to check your spam messages, so verify if the SMS was flagged as spam. So those are 10 things you can try to fix not receiving your WhatsApp verification code on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.